Hello, good day, greetings sa lahat, mga fellow IMG campaigners. So, right now, meron tayong bagong special promo na binibigay ni IMG. This one is intended for all non-IMG members. So, napakaganda po ng ating mission, no. We are here po to help everyone na magkaroon ng libreng personal accident insurance na 20,000 pesos. So this promo period this is for the whole February only. So kailangan natin gawin ito ng mabilis para lahat ng mga mahal natin sa buhay, yung mga kakilala natin, yung mga prospects natin na hindi pa rin naniniwala about us sa IMG. We are here. This is our noble mission to help them protect. At the same time, we want to campaign for them. Okay, so ito po yung gagawin natin. Okay, ang unang gagawin natin is this. Simply visit first to your IMG Dominate tool. Okay, i-share natin po itong link na ito. Ito po yung step 1. So, ipakita ko sa inyo So, once you are logged in on your Dominate tool, i-click nyo itong affiliate links. Meron din itong dashboard, share this. Just click itong affiliate link. And then, ito po yung window na lalabas. Okay? So, dito mo makikita yung link, yung share, itong free personal accident insurance. So, simply copy and paste and then share it to your loved ones, to your friends, to your relatives, or kahit sino, na gusto magkaroon ng para magkaroon sila ng libre na personal accident insurance. Okay? And then ang step 2, once i-open nila ito or i-click na nila, ito po yung lalabas. Or pwede din kayo na po ang mag-input ng kanilang first name, last name, at saka email address, and also their mobile number. At saka i-click itong sa merong button here, click the terms and condition, then click submit. Okay? So what will happen, ito po yung matanggap nila, an email. So ang gagawin nila, like for example, ito Raymond Diaz, okay? And then they will click this one, itong link nasa bottom na part. So once they click that part, okay, then the link will be redirected to the activation site for the free personal accident insurance. So i-click, ito po yung matatanggap nila. Okay? Another email na din ito. So they will simply click this one, click here to activate your free personal accident insurance. Then ito na po yung step 5. They will be asked to list down 5 people na gusto din nilang magkaroon ng free na personal accident insurance. Okay, like i-input nila yung kanilang email, ang mobile number with those 5 people para sila din magkaroon ng free na personal accident insurance. After that one, i-click submit. After clicking that one, they will receive another email from IMG. This time, they will be asked to fill out the free personal accident insurance application form sent to their email. So, i-click nila ito. Okay. And then after that, after they have completed the online application form, then they will just have to wait for the confirmation to be emailed pa rin sa kanila. Okay, sa kanilang registered email address. And yun lang po. As easy as that. So please, I'm encouraging you all to join our campaign. Tinatawag natin itong campaign and protect. So we campaign for them, at the same time we want them to be protected. Okay? So yun po, campaign and protect. So please join us. Message me, contact me if you need more guidance and assistance. Thank you. God bless. Ingat po kayong lahat.